heart of your house. But choosing a wrong design can make it an uncomfortable madhouse for years to come. So let's help you decide the right kitchen shape for your home. There are 4 common kitchen layouts: the L-shaped kitchen, the C-shaped kitchen, the parallel kitchen, and the island. Most people prefer the L-shaped kitchen layout as it offers ample storage space and an efficient work triangle. It is also perfect for compact spaces. The C-shaped kitchen layout comes with an additional countertop from the previous one. It offers more space and openness to the cook. Works well with medium-sized rooms. The parallel kitchen was designed for long and narrow spaces, offering more storage and smooth functioning while keeping everything within reach. The island is the dream kitchen for many. It has all the benefits of the above kitchens along with a warm and welcoming aspect. It's ideal for large space